Hi all. Today we will consider the layout of a two-room apartment in the Gravity Residential Complex in Krasnoyarsk. See the existing floor plan. Doorway to the bedroom without indentation from the wall. If the door opens into the room, then the door won't open completely, and the handle will hit the wall. There is nowhere to install the trim. Near the bathroom, there is a small niche half a meter deep and a niche with problematic access from the kitchen. Next is a niche 2 m wide for kitchen cabinets, only 3.3 cabinets 60 centimeters wide will fit here. In the far corner of the bathroom, there are pipeline risers. We cannot put a bath here. Here we demolish part of the partition to the bedroom. We demolish the partition of niches near the bathroom. Next, we make an addition to the wall in the opening. Now there is a place so that the door handle doesn't hit the wall and there is room for door trim. Align the wall in the bedroom. We make a partition with a door near the bathroom. We put a partition in the kitchen and get a pantry and laundry room. In the kitchen, we put walls according to the standard sizes of cabinets. In the bathroom, we put a partition with access to the pipeline risers, and we put a partition between the toilet and the bathroom. As a result, in the bedroom, the TV hangs on a flat wall in the middle of the bed, otherwise, the right half of the TV would hang on a protruding wall, and there would be a void behind the left half. Instead of two niches, there is a pantry for stuff, a washing machine, and a dryer. The toilet is separated by a partition from the wash basin and the bathroom, which means that a minimum of bacteria will fly to the bath accessories. In the kitchen, 3 high cabinets are placed in a niche and don't overlap the worktop. This is how you can make a practical interior from what you got from the developer. If you want to know more about the layout of the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room in this apartment, like and write in the comments. Bye.